When you think Tudor, you probably picture the Black Bay, a rugged, retro-style dive watch with an in-house Kinesi movement. But Tudor's latest release breaks that mold completely. Meet the Tudor 1926 Luna, the brand's first ever Moonphase watch. The 1926 collection has always flown under the radar, a discreet range of classic pieces far removed from the brand's dive watch fame. Now, with the Luna, Tudor brings this line back into the spotlight. This is a classically styled watch in polished stainless steel, 39 millimeters across and just 10.1 millimeters thick, slim, elegant, and rated to 100 meters of water resistance. A sapphire crystal protects the dial, while a screw-down crown with the Tudor shield adds a touch of robustness. The real star is the dial. The Luna comes in three colorways: black with gold accents, blue with silver, and champagne with blackened details. All feature a sunray finish, applied markers, and leaf-shaped hands. At 6 o'clock sits the Moonphase, a first for Tudor, complemented by a discreet date window at 3. Inside, there's another surprise. Instead of a Kinesi movement, Tudor chose a Sellita-based caliber, the SW280-1. It's automatic, beats at 4 Hz, and offers a 41-hour power reserve. Even though it's outsourced, it's regulated to Tudor's strict standards of -4 to +6 seconds per day, and backed by a 5-year warranty with 10-year service intervals. The Tudor 1926 Luna sits on a 7-link steel bracelet with a folding clasp, giving it a refined, versatile look. And at €2,630, it's the most approachable Moonphase in the Tudor family, because it's the only one. If you've been waiting for a Tudor that's dressy, elegant, and just a little romantic, the 1926 Luna could be the one. What do you think of Tudor's first Moonphase? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more hands-on watch reviews.